Today, we are gonna make the Evo loud as Now you're probably thinking to yourself, why the hell would I make the Evo louder? Don't mind me, I'm trying to find my shoes. I don't know if I want to be on that socks and sandals game today, might as well. So like I said, you guys could be wondering, why would I want the Evo louder? Isn't it loud enough? Gosh damn, stupid door closed. I have the Perrin catback exhaust on there right now, as you guys know, or you could know, you might know. And when you see what exhaust I got for this thing, you'll understand why I'm going from the Perrin exhaust to something that is gonna be stupid loud. Let me show you a quick little before of what it sounds like right now with this Perrin exhaust, just in case you guys want to know what it sounds like. It sounds absolutely incredible in my opinion. I do have the external dump or the open dump downpipe on this car, so when you get on it, this thing already freaking screams. It's already stupid loud. But after I get this new exhaust on, which you guys will see in a minute, be patient, it's gonna be out of this world. This is a cold start, so the car has not been started in a long time. It's probably been like 2 or 3 days. Before we do anything with swapping out this Perrin exhaust for the new exhaust, I'm gonna go on a drive. I'm gonna set up my external mic on the bumper so you guys can really get a feel for how this Perrin exhaust sounds. Let's hit it. So as you guys heard, this exhaust already sounds absolutely incredible on this car, but when you see what I have sitting down at the shop right now that I'm staring at, you're gonna understand why I'm taking off my Perrin and going to something better. So because I just went and beat the shit out of my car for about 10 minutes, that exhaust is gonna be hella hot when I go to pull it off. Now in the meantime, while it's cooling down, let me show you what exhaust I'm putting on there with a nice cinematic AF edit. So yes, as you guys just saw, I have a Tomei full titanium exhaust. What the hell is the model? I don't even know. I think Tomei only makes one model, honestly. Anyways, this exhaust is hella light. It's gonna be super, super loud, and it's gonna sound freaking awesome. As always, if you wanna pick up this exact exhaust system, first or second link down in the description box below, it'll say Tomei titanium exhaust and have a link to where you can buy this exhaust system at. All right, we should be good to go now to pull off this Perrin exhaust. Let's go touch it. I'm always so like paranoid when I touch exhaust. Just kidding. No, we're good. So from that bolt way the hell up there to all the way back here to the tips, that's what we're gonna be replacing, that whole freaking exhaust system. I think I may try to pull this whole thing off in one piece. I think I can. If I can get my fat ass under there, way up there to those 2 front bolts, I should be able to pull this whole exhaust system off in one piece. What do those look like? I think those are 14mm bolts. Pretty sure these are 14mm bolts up here. You can follow along on this tutorial pretty much for throwing exhaust on any Evo or any Evo 10, any brand of exhaust on any Evo 10, whether you have factory exhaust on it right now or whether you have Perrin or any other brand in the world. It's all gonna be the same. Where it bolts up to the test pipe, or if you have the stock cat up there, that from that point on is called the catback. Actually, hold up. Let me explain something to you real guys. Let me explain something to you real quick. So there's a few parts to the Evo exhaust system, right? Stock, we have an O2 housing on the turbo, and then we have a downpipe that goes to that'd be considered the cat. And if you buy a test pipe, that's what replaces the cat. If you buy a downpipe, it's gonna replace the whole O2 dump, or the whole O2 housing, and the downpipe. So that's usually all in one piece. And then from there, like I said, you have the cat, which the test pipe replaces that cat. And then from there, you have the cat back, which goes from cat back, exactly. It's from after the cat to the very back of the car. So what we're replacing today is the cat back. I already have the test pipe on there. I already have the downpipe on there. It's the ETS, external dump downpipe. As you guys heard, it's hella freaking loud. Today we're gonna be swapping out the parent cat back for the Tomei cat back. Let's do it. I'm not so sure if I can crawl under there. Yeah, I definitely can't fit under this car. You guys know I'm kind of fat. Now I'm like 200 pounds though, for real. So what I'm gonna do is jack up the car, the back of the car, and then use jack stands and swap out the exhaust. If you guys are wondering, a safe place to jack up an Evo, or pretty much any car in the world, if you have a rear diff, it's always a really solid mount, a really solid point to jack up at. So the rear diff is that big housing thing right there. Kind of looks like a transmission casing, but it's not. Don't hit your diffuser like I do. As you can see, I got jack stands on either side. If you guys work without jack stands, I don't know what to tell you. Honestly, I've done it before, and I don't recommend it because it's an easy way to cut your life into about half the life you could live. Damn, I'm fat. It's so hard to crawl under here. Look what I just found. My sway bar's loose. Dope. That is not cool. I'm not gonna bring my freaking Sony camera under here just because it's expensive and it's dirty under here. So just know those two bolts up there, they're either 14 or 17 millimeter. I can't really tell from here. We're gonna pull those two bolts out. I got a hammer. I got WD-40. We should be good. Who thinks I need a hoist in the shop? If you guys don't want to know the real reason I work out, or at least I think I do, no, it's not to get beautiful females. It's to get fucking exhaust bolts off. Alright, I'm hella dirty, so I'm not gonna pick up the camera from there. All we have is the hanger right here. Fuck it, I'll pick up my camera. So we got this hanger here, and we got one right there, and then one on the other side right there. As soon as you get those three off, the exhaust will fall off. I always get bullshit because I don't drive my cars in the winter. Guys, this is why I don't drive this thing in the winter, because winters here are rough as hell, and I hate I hate corroded bolts that get stuck. Never fun. It's the only thing about a car I hate working on is stuck bolts. Other than that, I love everything. All right, let's get this exhaust off. If your hangers are a pain in the ass to get off, use a set of pliers and you can easily pry them off. No, I'm not selling the parent exhaust yet, so don't go flood my DMs on Instagram wondering if I'm gonna sell it. I'm not selling it yet, just in case this Tomei's too freaking loud for me or for Bobby. Holy shit, I got a really good idea. You know how you guys love those Bobby reaction videos? I'm doing another one. No doubt, it's gonna be a Bobby's reaction to the Evo being like hella loud or something. Be on the lookout for that because she has no clue I'm doing this exhaust. She knows I bought it like always. I have to tell her when I buy stuff, but I don't have to tell her when I put it on. So be on the lookout for that. But yeah, don't flood my DMs yet because I'm not selling it. Shit, this exhaust is heavy. Y'all want to hear what a Evo sounds like with the open dump downpipe, a test pipe, and no catback? Let's go fire this thing up. I'm really curious. Will it harm your car? If you keep driving it with a open downpipe, essentially, yeah, I think eventually it would kind of fuck your car up. But starting it for 10 seconds for a YouTube video, hell no, we're fine. If you guys think that sounds cool, unsubscribe right now because that sounds like shit. Let's show this Tomei exhaust on. You know what? Before I do that, I'm gonna go weigh it because as you can see, like, it's freaking light. It's full titanium, and I'm guessing it's like 10 pounds for the whole system. Just a guess. That's what an Evo sounds like with no exhaust on it. The airplane out there, that's what an Evo with no exhaust sounds like. All right, this full exhaust system is weighing in at, wait for it, holy shit. I was 6 ounces off. It is 10 pounds, 6 ounces. Look at this, I ain't bullshitting. Full exhaust, that's a cat back right there, okay? Damn. Now I am super curious, what does the factory exhaust system weigh? And what does the parent exhaust system weigh? So I'm gonna have to weigh this parent exhaust in 2 different pieces. But this mid pipe right here is weighing at, this mid pipe alone weighs 9 pounds. The full Tomei exhaust weighed 10 pounds, 6 ounces. So this little pipe right here weighs almost as much as the full system. Do I dare even look? 22 pounds. This combined with the mid pipe, what was that, 31 pounds? That is freaking insane. That's a third of the weight of the parent exhaust. All right, let's go grab the stock exhaust. Holy balls. You guys ready for this? Honestly, I'm guessing like 45 pounds for the system. 15 pounds, 31 pounds, 46 pounds for this stock exhaust. Damn, that's insane. Look at this sexy ass mid pipe. This is considered a mid pipe. We got titanium. Look at these welds. Oh my lord. This is so freaking beautiful. Kind of a shame it's going on a kind of a load car. It's gonna get hella scratched up. So beautiful though. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'll kind of explain to you guys, like as I'm under the car. I'm not gonna bring the camera under there once again. What I'm gonna do is just set it all up on there with everything loose, all the bolts loose, and then make sure I have all the pieces on right. So this can either go like that or like that. I'm guessing it goes like that. This flange is angled and this exhaust comes out the passenger side of the car, and this angles it to the passenger side, so that's just my guess. And then once we make sure we have everything on properly, we can slide everything around. Everything on the rear end of this exhaust, the muffler is all, there's clamps, so clamps on here. We're gonna rotate everything, get it all nice and looking how it should, and then we can tighten everything up and start the car for the first time. Make sure you're using new gaskets on this test pipe to the mid pipe. You don't want this shit leaking. All right, mid pipe is connected to the test pipe. Now we have 2 more pieces to install. Okay, so I got that little section of pipe on. Let me show you guys where I'm at right now with the exhaust install. As you can see, that from up there to there is the mid pipe. I have that on. It's still loose. Everything's still loose, and then I have the clamp on right there, and then it runs to this little section of pipe right here, and then we need another clamp right here. Let's draw on the same way just so it looks pretty as the front one. Now from here to here is the muffler. Extravagant, I guess you could call it, looking muffler. Titanium, burnt freaking tips, sexy ass welds. This thing is gonna look absolutely gorgeous on this car and hopefully sound good. In a perfect world, this should just slip right on. Hell yeah, that was easy. Okay, now I'm gonna kind of rotate it and get it up on this top hanger up here. This is why I kept everything loose, because we're gonna have to rotate and rotate and rotate until it looks right. So I actually pulled the hanger off the car. I'm gonna set it on the exhaust itself, not the car. We're getting somewhere. All right, it's on the car. Holy shit. That is freaking sexy. I'm gonna just kind of rotate it. Obviously we don't want it resting on the bumper at all, or the diffuser. Okay. That looks good there. I really want to start up right now, but I have to tighten up all the clamps and the bolts and all that. So that's what I'm gonna go do right now. I'm gonna get the clamps on where they should. Let me show you guys where they go. So this clamp will go right there. And then the same concept with the front one. It's just gonna slide over and clamp down. Just tighten that bolt up and it'll tighten up. And then I have to crawl way up in there again and tighten those 2 14mm nuts. And then we are done. Let's stand back real quick. That is a fat ass muffler. I guess you guys can't really see. It's in the shop and it's kind of dark, but just know that it looks freaking insane. Exhaust is done. Exhaust is installed on the car. I'm gonna go wash my hands, change my shirt, maybe change those too, but probably not because I love socks and sandals. Don't ask why. And then we can freaking start this car, see how insane it sounds, go on a drive, do some exhaust comparisons, and live a lovely life, I guess. You know, what else could you ask for? You have an Evo Tomei exhaust. I ain't tripping. Okay, shirt is changed, hands are cleaned, socks and sandals still on. It is time to fire up the Evo for the first time with the new Tomei exhaust on it. I cannot be more freaking stoked. I probably sound like a little girl right now when I scream. I could not be more freaking stoked. Let's do this. Let's do this. Before I start it up, go down right now, smash that thumbs up button. Just do me a favor because I know you guys are gonna love how this thing sounds. Oh, yeah! Hold up, let's rev it up. Damn! Holy fuck. What do you think about that? That is insane. That's freaking insane. Wow. This is gonna be a crazy reaction when Bobby hears this thing. She's probably gonna poop herself. You guys ready to go on a little drive? Yes, I'm gonna get out the drone again. I'm gonna get some good exhaust clips. As long as this thing doesn't blow out my freaking sound recorder. And then, yeah. All right, let's go on a drive. Yeah, it's loud. It sounds really good though. It sounds freaking good. Let's wait till we get off the driveway and I'll give it a little rev for you. See how good it sounds. What? Do you hear that pop and backfire? It sounds way different than before. Before it kind of sounded like a little Chinese car. I'm kidding. It sounded really good with the parent exhaust. But with the Tomei exhaust, it sounds like a full-on freaking F1 race car thing. Do you guys not hear that? Oh my lord. I think I need to set up the camera for a little flyby. My gas light's on though. Damn, I don't have my wallet either. My wallet's at home, my gas light's on. We're still gonna send it. Alright guys, go down in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of the new Tomei exhaust. Like I mentioned earlier, if you want to pick up this full catback system, it'll be linked down in the description box below. Go pick one up. They sound freaking incredible. I'm gonna wrap up the video right here. Oh, I'm so out of breath from running. Be on the lookout for a few more videos coming with the Evo. A lot more actually. I need to give you guys a little update of why I have not done the turbo kit yet. But in the near future, be on the lookout for a reaction from Bobby of this exhaust, and then a diffuser install video. And yeah, that's about it. See you next time.